This morning. Today we're working on a 2002 Montero Sports 6-cylinder. Today we're taking off a prelim. Customer complains about car shutting off during idle at red lights. So leads me to dirt contamination. So hey, we're finna take the prelim out and clean her out real good, change the plugs while we're in there. The most common problems with these are plugs that go out, and when they do, a lot of people it takes a minute to change them. So that's what we're doing today. Montero Sports. So I ran a pressure test on it, everything's good. And yeah, as you can see, we got a lot of connectors has to be removed, and I don't have my coloring kit with me, so I used a variety of different things. I got a marker, I got some of this coloring, some of this, just anything I can find to help me coordinate my hoses back to the way they're supposed to go. Because we both know breathing is very, very important dealing with automobiles. So let's get to work. First, I'm gonna disconnect my battery cable, which I did. I'm gonna disconnect ignition wires, which I'll mark. Okay. So I'm marking all my cables to make sure you wipe this off, because this is not, you don't want to get the firing order confused on the car. This basically, that'll cause a lot of problems to non-professionals. And we remove these. Give it a little twist, pull, twist, pull, twist, pull, twist, pull, twist, pull. You can see a little corrosion up in there. Makes me believe that the spark plugs need a changing. As you can see, we got a little residue, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little Sprite, clean that out, and remove the spark plugs, wires or whatever, etc. So you notice that it's only those two cylinders, so I expect to see some bad spark plugs once I get into that. Next, I'm gonna disconnect my breather connector hose. Unplug my map sensor. Get this out of the way. Basically, from this point on, we got a variety of hoses and connectors. Variety of hoses and connectors that can be removed. So I'll start by color coding all the ones as close as I can